India is growing at such a massive rate. Now, if you study the Demat account, you're growing at 35%. And there are only two companies, NSD and CDSL. So if India will become a trend-killing economy, right now also we have only 20 crore Demat account. Many are duplicates because one person has 2-3 Demat accounts. So presently we are only catering to 5% of the population of the country. And more than 70% in US invest in mutual funds. So if the trend goes on, now more and more SIP will come in, more and more Demat account will be opened. So there is a huge space of growth. When a country grows, the market or the financial market will grow.
Got it.
So the exchanges will grow, the depositories will grow.